Hello my Virgos, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of June 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin. Angels and spirit guides. You guys, seriously, thank you, my love, for being so receptive. Immediately before I could start, oh beautiful, we've got maturity, we have moment to moment, innocence, we are the world darlings. You've got an amazing week. Even though you feel nothing is happening, lots is happening. Finances coming towards you because we are the world, and maturity for a few if you're seeking for some connections, could be on partnership, could be on work, could be on matters of heart. You will expect some connections building up. Okay, some good news is coming up. Innocence, enjoy the simplicity of life. Happiness is embracing. It's going to be an amazing first 10 days. In case if you're doubting, don't doubt. You have good time. Moment to moment, I think what is happening is you are getting super busy. So you're trying to find a balance. Okay, so learn to bring in the me time. Stop focusing on the past or on the future. When you are in awareness at the moment, you can create your future. So today, if you're good and you plan, the next day is going to be super amazing. I'm so sorry. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Okay, let's take this one. There are too many cards. Can I have some? Let's take this. Let's take that. Okay, because there's got to be something. We begin with integration, guidance, courage, possibilities, and existence. You have everything that you want in the mid 10 days. Stability finally is coming towards you. Remember, you have that thing in you. If you have to let go, let go. Don't hold on to it. If you're stuck, if you look up from a higher perspective, or if you broaden your horizon, yes, success is there. You're traveling for sure. Seek help. A teamwork will bring in the dream work. Whenever you need help, you have your counselors, doctors, healers who are there to support you. The only thing that's bothering is the yin and yang energy, which is imbalance within you. Okay, so everything, in spite of having a rocky face, through help and through a higher perspective, whatever you want, you can achieve. But don't be too rigid, don't be too naive, is what it's trying to say. Okay, otherwise the 10 days are really good. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take this. Take this. We begin with creator, trust, new vision and aloneness. Why are you stuck in a loop about a person you cannot get your head off? Aloneness, you have been craving for a child. Okay, I don't know why it's trying to say, but probably the masculine energy is not ready, or there is someone that you are hell bent on, okay, and this person is way too busy in their work front and they're ignoring you, and probably that is what seems to be killing you. Go and ask for help. If you're looking for pregnancy or anything as such, please take a second opinion, okay. That is what the read is trying to say. Else, emotionally there is some good news coming up. Financially, work is going really well, but I think there is a part of you that is not happy, so you need to figure out what part of you is troubling you, and you will be fine, okay. Discuss, ask, and you shall receive. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Trustworthy guidance. See, I just said some time back, how better can it get than this? Ask for help. So you've got your doctors, healers, well-wishers, okay, angelic people who are there to assist you, support you. So don't doubt yourself, my love. Please ask, okay, and so you shall receive. Now at the matters of heart, let's see what can we have for you. Let's take these 2, 3. We have kisses, passion, and the chaser. So if you feel the person is not responding, probably they've got abandonment issues, okay, they've got relationship issues, or probably they're being codependent. If you are in a relationship, work on your passion, okay. There is someone that you might end up falling in love, but you need to figure out if this person is a chaser or this person truly values you, okay, because somehow I feel there could be somebody who might just end up ghosting or some ex coming up. Don't do that. Let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. We have main male, hello. There is a strong masculine energy who will play a very important role. If you have been seeking for someone who is not a control freak, then that's good, but if you think it is, then take a second opinion done, okay. And if you are my masculine energy, you guys are going to rise and shine. This month seems to be really beneficial for you. So how should I sum up this month for you? There's a lot happening. Trustworthy guidance, because what is happening is finance is coming to you. Emotionally you can be happy, spiritually also you can be happy, but only if you ask the right person, you will be on the right path. Else you have a tendency to get distracted, okay, because that chaos also a third person, your mentor or a guru can tell you. So that's the reason a trustworthy guidance is very important. That's how your angels are also saying. At the matters of heart, you need to figure out about the person, because there's a strong masculine energy who will play a very important role, okay. So don't get carried away, but enjoy the attention. Just put some boundary is how I would sum up. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.